ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Third chapter of Gita along with the commentary of Jnaneshwar Maharaj we have been seeing. Name of the chapter is Karma Yoga. Bhagwan is telling on the pretext of Arjuna to everyone in this world that you must do karma. In order to attain moksha, in order to become Naishkarmya, you must do karma. And the chapter started with the question of Arjuna, you have explained me Jnana Yoga thoroughly, which is the best, and you are asking me to do karma. Then Bhagwan said, you didn't understand. In flow, I explained about Jnana Yoga. We must focus on karma. Without doing karma, we cannot attain Naishkarmya, Atmasthiti, we cannot attain. And then Bhagwan said, it is not possible to forsake all the karmas. If you forsake all the karmas, actually it is not possible to begin with. But if at all you give up all the karmas, can you give up breathing? Can you give up thinking? You won't be able to. So it is not possible to give up action. Bhagwan proved that. Once he proved, then he said, people externally they give up all the actions, internally they entertain all the desires. Bhagwan said, those people are mithyacharisa uchyate. And Bhagwan said, externally they do karma and internally there is no desire. Such people are great. And then Bhagwan again telling that, O Arjuna, O people of mine, we all should do niyatam karma, vihit karma, the karma which is enjoined by Shastra on us, we all must do. So this is the introduction as well as the whatever we have seen so far, recapitulation of that also. We move further. Niyatam kuru karmatvam karmajayo hyakarmanah sharira yatra pichate na prasiddhyeda karmanah niyatam kuru karmatvam karmajayo hyakarmanah sharira yatra pichate na prasiddhyed karmanah. Now, Bhagwan gives one more reason why anyone or everyone should do karma. And Bhagwan becomes more specific now. You should do vihita karma. So the gamut of karma you understand. 6 karmas. Nitya, Naimittik, Kamya, Nishiddha, and Upasana. It is also one of the karma. Nitya, Naimittik, Kamya, Nishiddha, Upasana, and one more karma is there. Those 6 karmas we should do. Vihita karma. Vihita karma, Nishiddha karma. All that we should do, Bhagwan says, out of 6 we should do Niyatam karma. Niyatam karma means the karma which has come to me, It is my obligatory duty to do that depending upon my varna and ashrama. That is called niyatam karma. More specific, niyatam karma, vihita karma, which is enjoined by Shastra on me. More specific, more clarity, nitya naimittik karma. So Bhagavan says, niyatam karma kuru. So this is the main point of this. Now we will see vigraha and all other things. So vigraha, niyatam karma kuru. Niyatam karma, niyatam kuru tvam karma. Niyatam karma kuru karma tvam. Karma jayah hi akarmanah. शरीर यात्रा अपि च ते न प्रसिद्धेत अकर्मणः. This is the vigraha of this. Now let us see anvaya. Vigraha means you split the words which are connected because of sandhis. So vigraha, you separate all the sandhis and move further to get proper meaning. So if you say somewhere that I have learned Gita, you must know what is vigraha, what is anvaya. If you say I don't know what is anvaya vigraha, you haven't learnt Gita, you have learnt meaning of Gita. So learning of Gita with anvaya artha, vigraha anvaya artha is the proper traditional method. So I do follow that. Tvam niyatam karma kuru. Tvam, you, niyatam, allotted, or the karma which is enjoined by Shastra unto you based on your varna and ashrama. Kuru, you do vihita karma, enjoined karma. Akarmanahi karma jayah. Akarmanah, not doing action, becoming inaction. Karma jayah. Karma is doing actions, doing vihita karma is superior than not doing any action. Karma jayah. Actions are superior. He akarmanah than not doing karma. So Bhagavan gives one more reason why you should do karma. Bhagavan says, your pilgrimage of this body or your body won't sustain if you don't move, if you don't do actions. Te, your sharira yatra, the movements of the body or the journey of body, physical body, akarmanah na prasiddhet. Your body will not sustain if you become actionless. For example, you are sitting on couch day and night sleeping. What will happen to your body? Your body start paining, and that pain gradually increases and you feel to get rid of that body. Because if you don't move, don't do basic actions, then all the body, it will be, dilapidating day by day. So we must do basic exercise. I also don't do nowadays, but we must do. Fine. Akarmanah, by not doing action, sharira yatra, your physical body maintenance won't sustain, won't exist for a long time. Better you should move. Don't be stubborn. Don't insist on becoming non-actionless. Actionless. Manashi naiskarmya hoave tari ethat tena sambhave आणि निषिद्ध केवी रहाटावे विचारी पा. म्हणशी नैष्कर्म्य होवावे तरी एथतेन संभवे आणि निषिद्ध केवी रहाटावे विचारी पा. Manasi, if you say that you want to become actionless, you want to attain Atma Swarupa, which is actionless. You want to attain Atma. You want to be that. मनसी नैष्कर्म्य होवावे तरी एथ न संभवे. Or here Naishkarmya means not becoming Atma. I'm so sorry. Here Naishkarmya means if you want to give up all the actions, if you want to become free from the actions. Manashi Naishkarmya Huave. You want to become, you want to get rid of all the actions. Tari etha tena sambhave. In this very body, it is not possible to become actionless. This body will not allow you. Even if it allows, it will start giving pain, aching here, there, everywhere. True. Ani nishiddha. So you can't give up all the action. That is not possible. Ani nishiddha kevi rahatave vicharipa. And the actions which are prohibited by Shastra, how can we follow those actions which are prohibited by Shastra? Nishiddha. Vihita, Shastra says to do. Nishiddha, Shastra says not to do. So Nishiddha kevi rahatave. How we can wander in prohibited action? So only one chance, one way is there. What are the three ways? One way is you give up all the actions, which is not going to happen, not possible. Second, you do prohibited action based upon your whims and fancy. And third, which is you do niyatam karma. So Bhagavan says, Naishkarmya hoave na sambhave. Nishiddha kevi rahatave. How we can enter into the world of prohibited actions? So we should not do that. Therefore, Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Manoni je je uchit आणि अवसरे करुणी प्राप्त ते कर्म हेतु रहित आचरतु. म्हणून जे जे उचित आणि अवसरे करुणी प्राप्त ते कर्म हेतु रहित आचरतु. Two things Dhaneshwar Maharaj is saying. Manoni je je uchit. Therefore means you cannot give up actions. You cannot enter into the world of prohibited action. Therefore, Manoni je je uchit. Whatever that is appropriate to your varna, your ashram, and one more thing, avasare karoni prapta. Avasare means on special occasions, few things we have to do. That is called naimittik karma. So whatever is appropriate, one thing, nitya karma, ani avasare karoni prapta, naimittik karma, that you must do. Te karma, and how to do? Second important point, Bhagavan says, te karma hetu rahita acharatu. Te karma, that nitya naimittik karma which has fallen into your lap, you must do without any result, without craving for result out of those actions. Hetu rahita, you don't have any selfish motive to do that karma. Te karma hetu rahita acharatu, that you do. And he says why you should do. I will tell you one, fascinating thing about this nitya naimittik karma. पार्था आणि कही एक नेणसी तुहे कवतिक जैसे कर्म मोचक अपैसे असे. पार्था आणि कही एक नेणसी तुहे कवतिक जे ऐसे कर्म मोचक अपैसे असे. पार्था, O Arjuna, O dearest Arjuna, O son of Prithu. Ani kahi ek, on the top of that, whatever I told you, you should do nitya naimittik karma without action. On the top of that, I will tell you one more thing. Partha ani kahi ek, ani kahi one, ani kahi more, ek one. One more thing. Tu nenasi he kavatika. You don't know the secret of nitya naimittik karma. Bhagavan knew that, Arjuna don't know. And Bhagavan knew the secret of karma also. Tu nenasi he kavatika. You don't know the secret of nitya, doing nitya naimitik karma. Why? What is that secret, Bhagavan? Can you tell us? Yes. जे ऐसे कर्म मोचक अपैसे असे, जे ऐसे कर्म, the actions which are vihita, nitya naimittika, that too without craving for results, such actions, mochaka, such actions become, a means to liberation. Mochaka, apaise, ase, effortlessly, easily, without any hustle bustle, you become free from all the problems just by doing nitya naimittik karma. Means whatever you are supposed to do, if you do that, you are free. No problem. We are entangled in problem because so many things are going on around us. देखे कर्माधारे, देखे अनुक्रमाधारे, स्वधर्म जो आचरे, तो मोक्ष तेणे व्यापारे निश्चित पावे. देखे अनुक्रमाधारे, स्वधर्म जो आचरे, तो मोक्ष तेणे व्यापारे निश्चित पावे. Nareshwar Maharaj says, I am not simply saying that nitya naimittik karma will free from all the problems. I tell you with, full conviction, nishchita pave, definitely you are going to get it. There is no doubt about it. What? Mokshu tene vyapare. By doing those nitya naimittik karma without craving for result, definitely you are going to get moksha. Oh, yes. Now Bhagavan brings the important topic, Swadharma. देखे अनुक्रमाधारे, अनुक्रम, देखे, see, अनुक्रमाधारे, varna and ashrama. Whether you are brahmachari, whether you are grahastha, whether you are vanaprastha, or you are sannyasi, you see who you are. Okay? Brahmacharya, all the things. And you see whether you are brahmana, kshatriya, vaishya, or shudra. You see all the things and you finalize, you pin down everything. You have to do these things. Anukrama dhare, based upon your the caste and color. Swadharma jo achare, whatever karma, swadharma, swa, one's own, dharma, karma, which I have to do. Jo achare, for example, I am student. So I must study scripture, I must memorize it, I must beg alms, and I must serve teacher. My dharma. If I am grahastha, I should take care of my family. I should look after brahmachari and sannyasi and vanaprastha. I should do charity depending upon that. If I am sannyasi, I have to just, reside, dwell into my nature. And if someone comes, I have to just give knowledge. So swadharma jo achare, whoever follows their own dharma, duty, such people will definitely get moksha. And those who don't follow their duty, what will happen? Oh, they are going to be in problem. Bhagavan now gives another word for karma is yajna. So from here onwards, yajna doesn't mean there is a flame, fire in Agni Kunda and someone is offering. That is also yajna. Here in this chapter, Bhagwan says yajna means a spirit of doing actions. That too without craving for result. That is called yajna. Beautiful term, beautiful concept. Nowadays, we can't do proper yajnas, but we should do these yajnas which are doing actions without craving for results. Wonderful things Bhagavan is going to explain now. Bhagavan use yajna word for Nishkam karma, a selfless action, is equal to yajna. Beautiful. Yajnarthat karmanonyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangas samachara. Yajnarthat karmanonyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah तदर्थम कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्त संगः समाचर. विग्रह. यज्ञार्थात कर्मणः अन्यत्र. ब्यूटीफुल, यू सी. यज्ञार्थात कर्मणः अन्यत्र लोकः अयम कर्म बंधनः. You see here only yam is written. Here how ayam came. So for that you have to learn grammar, or you can watch my videos which are there on my channel. So you see yajnarthat karmanonyatra. Okay, ayam karma bandhanah. Tadartham. Here tada is there. Why it became tat? So rule jastva sandhi. Okay. Tat artham so sorry. Tad artham karma kaunteya mukta sangah samachara. Wonderful. So yajnarthat karmanah anyatra lokah karmanonyatra become karmanah anyatra. It is utva 1. Okay, you can refer to my sandhi videos as well. Now the concept is, if you do karma without craving for result, then it becomes yajna. Other than having this thought behind doing karma is going to bind you. Therefore, O Arjuna, do action without any attachment towards result, towards anything. Beautiful concept. Now you see Anvaya. यज्ञार्थात. See, यज्ञार्थात कर्मणः अन्यत्र अयम लोकः कर्म बंधनः. अयम लोकः, this world. यज्ञार्थात कर्मणः, other than doing action with spirit. Action, Gurudev used to say, action with different spirit. You don't want anything. You are doing everything, but you don't want anything. That is a spirit which nobody has. Only few people have in this world. They do everything for something. Yajnarthat karmanah anyatra. So let us see. Yajnarthat karmanah, other than doing selfless action or nitya naimittik karma or vihita karma, everything else karma bandhanah. This is going to bind you. Therefore, he Kaunteya, therefore, O Arjuna, mukta sangah, sangah attachment, mukta sangah, free from attachment, attachment towards the result. Tad artham karma samachara. So being free from attachment towards result, you start doing karma to gain your Atma Swarupa. So I want Atma Swarupa, that is also not a factor there. But he is just doing karma. What is right, he is doing it. So Mukta Sangha Tadartham Karma Kara. So being free from all the attachment, you do all actions. What a wonderful thing. We think Yajna means one priest will be there, Yajman will be there, wife of Yajman will be there, and mantras will be chanting. Of course, that is Yajna. This is more relevant nowadays. This is the need of the hour. What? You should do karma with spirit of action, spirit of Yajna spirit, Gurudev used to say. then karma comes out differently. Okay, we have to move a little bit fast. Swadharmujo Bapa Tochi Nitya Yajna Janapa. Now Naneshwar Maharaj, makes it very clear. Swadharmujo Bapa Tochi Nitya Yajna Janapa. म्हणोनी वर्तता तेथ पापा संचारू नाही. स्वधर्मुजो बापा तोची नित्य यज्ञ जाणपा. म्हणोनी वर्तत पापा संचारू नाही. स्वधर्मुजो बापा, performing one's own duty. तोच नित्य यज्ञ जानपा, that is called yajna, sacrifice, that is yajna. Manoni, and once you do your duty, Abdul Kalam says that if you do your duty diligently, you don't have to, if you do your duty properly, you don't have to salute anyone. If you pollute your duty, you have to salute everyone. What a wonderful thought. Same thought from Bhagavad Gita only. Manoni vartata teta papa sancharu nahi. Once you do your own duty diligently, meticulously, papa sancharu nahi, there is no, scope of, papa. This papa, you won't incur sin if you do your duty. And performing your own duty itself is a yajna. And it is not yajna performed on particular day, on particular time, in particular place. Nitya yajna. Anytime, anywhere, any place you can perform this, which is called selfless action. Working, doing, living for others without results. हा निज धर्मु जई सांडे, कुकर्मी रती घडे, तैची बंधू पडे संसार. हा निज धर्मु जई सांडे, संसारिकु. Okay, samsariku is here. हा निज धर्मु जई सांडे, कुकर्मी रती घडे, तैची बंधू पडे संसारिकु. तैची बंधू पडे संसारिकु. हा निज धर्म जय सांडे. Once you give up your duty, own responsibility, हा निज धर्म जय सांडे. Once you give up all your things which you are supposed to do, कुकर्मी रति घड़े, and then you feel doing wrong things. See, beautiful topic here. How we end up doing wrong things? When we stop doing our own things, definitely we end up doing wrong things. Yeah, when we stop going to temple, definitely we go somewhere else, isn't it? Once we stop reading scriptures, we read something else. So, Nija Dharmujai Sande, Kukarmi Rati Ghade. Then we, take wrong turn, and what happens? Taichi Bandhu Pade Samsariku. And then what happens? You are bound, you are bound by samsara. The bondage, falls on you, or you fall in that bondage. So wrongful actions we start doing when we stop right actions. मनोनी स्वधर्मानुष्ठान ते अखंड यज्ञ याजन, जो करे तया बंधन कहीच नाही. Beautiful. Now this is important verse. मनोनी स्वधर्मानुष्ठान ते अखंड यज्ञ याजन, जो करी तया बंधन कहीच नाही. म्हणोनी, therefore, Swadharmanusthana, doing your nitya naimittik karma, not doing the prohibited action nishiddha karma, te akhanda yajna yajana, that is called eternal actually timeless. Without any interruption, you are doing yajna. If you are performing yajna with the help of priest and the material, what happens? At some time you have to stop, at some point you have to start, at some point you have to wind up everything. This swadharma anusthana is, you don't have to stop anywhere. Akhanda yajna yajana. And once you do this kind of yajna, which is developing your mind, inner tendencies, that time जो करे तया बंधन कहीच नाही. जो करी, the one who performs swadharmanusthana, this kind of yajna, taya bandhana कहीच nahi, he will never ever have bondages, he will never ever have sorrows. That's all. हा लोको कर्मे बांधिला. Wonderful verse. हा लोको कर्मे बांधिला, जो परतंत्रा भुलला, तो नित्य यज्ञाते चुकला म्हणोनिया. हा लोको कर्मे बांधिला, जो परतंत्रा भूतला, भूतला इज देर, तो नित्य यज्ञाते चुकला म्हणोनिया. हा लोको कर्मे बांधिला. This world, entire world is karme bandila. They are tied with the action and result of action. Entire world. जो paratantra bhutala. Paratantra means maya here. Paratantra means body here. This entire world is under the what's the word, under the, this entire world is under the grip of maya, under the grip of karma. Loko karme bandila. Everything happens in your life has karma as the only answer. Why am I born in this family? Karma. Why I have that kind of sister? Karma. Why am I doing this job? I know this is the worst job. Karma. Why I born on particular day? Karma. Karme bandhila. Everything is karma only. Oh, so you don't have answers for all this, so you say karma? No, because karma is the answer for everything. That is why we say karma. Small thing is there. People think we don't have answer for everything. That is why we impose karma as the cause of everything. Actually, no. Karma is the cause of everything. That is why we don't have other answers. I don't know whether you understood or not. People say you don't have answers for all the things which are happening in the world. So you give karma as answer, karma as a cause. I say karma is the only cause. That is why all other answers, they don't fit in for our problems. So loha loke kar loku karme bandila. Jo paratantra bhutala, one who is fascinated by this body, to nitya yajnate chukala, he will fall, or he will take diversion from nitya yajna. Basically, point is entire world is functioning on karma. One who is, tempted by this body, he won't do nitya naimitik karma. You have to rise above your body. तो नित्य यज्ञ ते चुकिला म्हणोनिया. So because of attachment towards this body, he won't be able to do whatever nitya naimitya karma he has to do. Or other way, there is maya, paratantra, maya. Because of that, he may not do all the obligatory duties because of maya. But we must do. आता या विषय पार्था, तुझ सांगेन एकी मी कथा, जे सृष्ट्यादी संस्था ब्रह्मेनी केली. आता या विषयी पार्था, तुझ सांगेन एकी मी कथा, जय सृष्ट्यादि संस्था ब्रह्मेनी केली. भगवान इज इंटरेस्टेड टू टेल यू वन स्टोरी. आता याविषयी पार्था, याविषयी रिलेटेड टू दिस मीन्स रिलेटेड टू स्वधर्म, रिलेटेड टू कर्म, वन्स ओन कर्म, रिलेटेड टू यज्ञ. तुझं सांगेन एकी मी कथा, आय विल टेल यू वन स्टोरी. जे सृष्ट्यादि संस्था ब्रह्मेनी केली, and the story is related to Brahmadeva, a creator, and he did this, whatever I am going to tell, at the time of creation. When he structured whole creation, nature, that time he did. Whatever he did, that I am going to tell you. Story, beautiful story. Oh, there is story in Gita also. Yes, you won't like it, but Sah yajñah praja sruštva purovacha prajapatihi अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वम् एष वोस्त्विष्टकामधुक्. सह यज्ञाः प्रजा सृष्ट्वा पुरोवाच प्रजापतिः अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वम् एष वोस्त्विष्टकामधुक्. सह यज्ञाः प्रजाः, I am going to write it. सह यज्ञाः प्रजाः सृष्ट्वा पुरा उवाच प्रजापतिः अनेन प्रसविष्यध्वम् एषः वः अस्तु इष्टकामधुक्. Beautiful. I will tell you meaning once we see Anvaya. Pura, way back or in the beginning of creation. Prajapatihi, Lord Brahma, a creator. Sahayajnaha praja sruštva. So, along with sacrifice, he created all human beings. So here yajna means we will take meaning as karma. Karma. So with the help of selfless actions, yajna, he created entire universe. The human beings are created, the rivers, mountains, land, everything is created. Prajaha sruštva. How? Sahayajnaha. With the help of this karma, selfless karma, or with the help of sacrifice also you can say, but we will keep it. Yajna means a selfless action. In one of the Upanishad, it is said that when Brahma was born, he did not know what to do. So he meditated. And in meditation, the word got revealed to him is tapa. Yeah, you do action, selfless actions. You do tapas. And then he started doing tapas. Everything came to him and he created the entire universe. Anena, by this yajna, which is swadharma, by this yajna, prasavishadvam, you fulfill your all desires. Eshaha means this yajna, okay, nishkama karma, vaha, your ishtakamaduk asti. That yajna, doing your actions, following swadharma, will become kamadhenu, a cow which will fulfill your all desires. Ishtakamadhuk astu iti uvacha. This thus he said. What it means? When he did selfless actions, tapas, that time he could create entire universe. When people were born, people did not know what to do. Then he said, the way I performed yajna, you also do yajna, selfless action depending upon your varna ashram. And that swadharma will become wish fulfiller for you. Thus he said, you fulfill all your desires. तै नित्ययाग सहिते सृजलीभूते समस्ते परिणेणति चितिये यज्ञाते सूक्ष्म म्हणउनी पैतै नित्ययाग सहिते सृजिलीभूते समस्ते परिणेणती चितिये यज्ञाते सूक्ष्म मनोनी तै nityayag sahite. In previous shloka Bhagavan said doing selfless action is nitya yajna. Now here Naneshwar Maharaj gives the same reference, tai nityayaga sahite, along with selfless actions. Srujili bhute samaste. Srujili bhute samaste. All human beings, everything Brahmaji could create. Parinenati chitiye yajnate. But people, just after creation, nobody could comprehend that yajna, what Brahmaji did. Why? Sukshma Mhanavuni. Because it was so subtle. The karma is so subtle. Bhagavan in 4th chapter he is going to talk. Gahana karmano gatihi. It's very subtle. Nobody can understand except God. So this, the the gamut of karma is so subtle, nobody could understand. And same thing happened with the people could not understand this after birth what to do. Then what happened? You see the story. I told you won't like it. We want one king, queen, few soldiers run from here, few soldiers run from there. That kind of story Bhagavan is not interested. A higher level story. Te vedi prajivinavila brahma deva ashrayakaya etha amma तव म्हणे तो कमळ जन्म भूतान प्रती ते वेळी प्रजीविनवला ब्रह्मा ते वेळी at that time ते वेळी प्रजीविनवला ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा Lord Brahmadeva, creator, Prajivinavila. He was, begged, asked by people. Deva, O Brahmaji, etha ashrayakaya etha amma. Where we should find shelter. From where we should start, O Bhagavan. You have given birth to us. Now what to do, we don't know. तव म्हणे तो कमल जन्म भूतान प्रति तव then mane says to kamal janma because there are many brahmajis to kamal janma the first brahmaji may be bhutan prati towards all the bhuta what he says you see now beautiful story actually तुम्ही वर्ण विशेषे तुम्हा वर्ण विशेष वशे आम्ही हा स्वधर्म विहिला असे या ते उपासा मग अपैसे काम पुरती तुम्ही वर्ण विशेष वशे आम्ही हा स्वधर्म विहिला असे या ते उपासा मग अपैसे काम पुरती. So has to be there. Here apaise. So tumhi varna visheshe according to your varna and ashram. Amiha swadharmu vihilase. We have given you this bunch of actions. What you have to do, what you don't have to do. Vihilase. We have given everything. Yate upasa. You follow this. Maga apaise kam purti. Then all your desires will be fulfilled. Just do swadharma. Swadharma, whatever actions based on your varna and ashram. Then most, delicate part in Dhaneshwari, many people, especially Nirankari Mission or any other people, they quote this part that we should not do anything. And they said, Naneshwar Maharaj said, you should not do any vrata, upavasa, you should not go to pilgrimage. This is not the point here. I request you people that you should not quote few part of Naneshwari and, misguide people, misguide the society. You won't like it, but this is how the plight of mission now. You will take small part from different text. You will emphasize more and you will misguide people. I am telling you, you learn entire Jnaneshwari, then you speak about few verses in Jnaneshwari. I am not against anyone. It is not good for you because you don't know what Jnaneshwar Maharaj is saying. I will tell you how it is. So simple. If you have to emphasize on one particular part, for example, you have a child and you want to say that, oh my dear child, you must study, because study is most important part in his life as far as the student phase is concerned. Agree? Then father is talking to child, you must study, you must not play, you must not go out, you must not talk to relatives, you must not do you must not exercise, you must study. Understood this much? Means what? Father wants to emphasize on study. That doesn't mean you should not do exercise. That doesn't mean you should not play. You should not talk to relatives. Everything is important. My one tarka is there, logic. There are people in Varkari Sampradaya, they have given up their life for Jnaneshwari 60 years. They didn't get married. They didn't get married. They didn't do anything. They just dedicated their life for Jnaneshwari. Do they know more than you, or you know more than them? My heart is saying that you must study full thing. Okay. Don't just quote here and there. If they start asking you, you will be in trouble. I will be the first person who will ask you. Okay, let it be. So Jnaneshwar Maharaj doesn't say you don't fast, you don't go to pilgrimage, you don't torture your body. That is not the purpose here. Purpose is giving more importance to Swadharma. Okay, I give the example of study. Giving more importance to study, that doesn't mean we should not do other things. Everything, every action is important. तुम्ही व्रत नियमो न करावे, शरीराते न पिडावे, दूर दूरी के ही न वचावे, तीर्थासिगा. तुम्ही व्रते नियमो न करावे, शरीराते न पिडावे, दूरी के ही न वचावे, तीर्थासिगा. You should not do vrata, ekadashi and all, you don't do. Does that mean that emphasis is more on karma? So you don't do vrata means no vow. Niyamu na karave, no rule. Does that is the purport of Jnaneshwar Maharaj? Common sense is not there. People will quote this right, left and misguide the society. Om, om, om. Sharirate na pidave. You don't torture your body. Means they'll say don't go to Wari. You don't have the iota of idea how much joy we get in Wari. Okay, so better stay away from this. Duri kehi na vachave. Don't go anywhere far. Tirtha asiga. So Jnaneshwar Maharaj wants to say don't go to pilgrimage. If that is the case, then why he took Namdev Maharaj and went on pilgrimage? Leave it. I don't consider you as a thinkers. Okay, my bad, but sorry. So Jnaneshwar Maharaj gives utmost importance to Swadharma. And to show that, he says, don't do this, don't do this, do only Swadharma. That doesn't mean you don't do other things also. Everything has its own importance and glory. योगादि के साधने साकांक्ष आराधने मंत्र यंत्र विधाने झणी करा. योगादि के साधने साकांक्ष आराधने mantra yantra vidhane झणी करा. So don't do any yoga. Yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dhyan, dharana, samadhi. Don't do. Jnaneshwar Maharaj told. Then he was yogi. He did everything. You read 6th chapter. How to do yoga, everything is. No, but in Haripath, for whom it is said. Okay, leave. Sakanksha aradhane, and don't do with some desire. few actions. Like they say, I want this, so I will do this. Sakanksha aradhane. Don't plead God, please God, give. Don't do with some idea. Mantra yantra vidhane jhanikara. Don't go for different charms. This is charm and incantations, charms, different magic and yantra tantra. Don't do anything. देवतांतरा न भजावे, हे सर्वथा काही न करावे, तुम्ही स्वधर्म यज्ञ जावे अनायासे. देवतांतरा न भजावे. Oh, Naneshwar Maharaj says don't worship God. Then why he went to Pandharpur? माझे जीवीची आवडी पंढरपुरा नेन गुडी. Why lakhs of people going to Pandharpur? No. Naneshwar Maharaj said, you didn't understand what he said. देवतांतरा न भजावे. We should don't worship anyone, any other deity. Swadharma you worship. हे सर्वथा काही न करावे. Don't do this at all. तुम्ही स्वधर्म यज्ञ जावे अनायासे, effortlessly, simply you swadharma yajni yajave. You do this yajna of swadharma, doing your one's own actions with craving for no result. अहेतुके चित्ते अनुष्ठिपा यज्ञाते पतिव्रता पतिते जिया परी. अहेतुके चित्ते अनुष्ठिपा ययाते पतिव्रता पतिते जिया परी. अहेतुके चित्ते, without expecting any result. Anushtipa yayate, do all the actions. Pativrata patite zayapari. Just like a woman who is very dedicated to his husband, how he does everything for husband without asking anything in returns. Beautiful example. Pativrata, a woman, a chaste woman who is very devoted to her husband. Pativrata Jayapari Jiyapari Patite Anushti. A chaste woman is devoted, dedicated to her husband. Like that, we also should be devoted, dedicated to our actions. Means don't expect any result. तैसा स्वधर्म रूप मखू, हाची सेव्यू तुम्हा एकू. ऐसे सत्यलोक नायकू म्हणता जाहला. तैसा स्वधर्म रूप मखू, हाची सेव्यू तुम्हा एकू. ऐसे सत्यलोक नायकू म्हणता झाला. तैसा, in that way, swadharma rupa makhu, doing your one's own action diligently, meticulously, is yajna for you, is the highest sacrifice for you. Hachi sevyu tumaiku, and you all must serve with this spirit. ऐसे सत्यलोकनायकू म्हणता जाहला. The Satyalokanayaku, Lord Brahma, said to people, देखा स्वधर्माते भजाल, तरी कामधेनु हा होईल. मग प्रजा हो न संडील, तुमते सदा. देखा स्वधर्माते भजाल, तरी कामधेनु हा होईल. मग प्रजा हो न संडेल, तुमते सदा. देखा, therefore you see now, swadharmate bhajal, if you do your actions without expecting any result, tari kamadhenu ha hoil, your swadharma will become kamadhenu, wish fulfiller cow. Mag praja ho na sandel tumate sada. Mag, oh my people, this Swadharma will never give you up. Swadharma will never disappoint you. That is how the glory of Swadharma is. We will sing one song, bhajan, and we'll end. मार्ग दावुनी गेले आधी, मार्ग दावुनी गेले आधी. दयानिधी संत ते, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता, न पडे गुंता कोठे काही, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता, मोडोनिया नाना मते, देती सिद्धांते सौरसू, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता, न पडे गुंता कोठे काही, न पडे गुंता कोठे काही, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता. निळा म्हणे ऐसे संत, निळा म्हणे ऐसे संत, कृपावंत सुख सिंधू, कृपावंत सुख सिंधू, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता, तेनेची पंथे चालो जाता. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, 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 ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम, पुंडलिक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति.